What if I told you that your video is good enough to get the views that you desire? Yes. What if I told you that your video does not lack the quality like you may be thinking? What if I told you that there are things you can do inside your YouTube studio that will make your video rank very high, gain more views on YouTube? And that is why I'm shooting this video, is to help your channel grow, help you get your watch hour. Yes, if you are glad to hear what I'm about to say, subscribe to this channel and give this video a like so that YouTube can spread it to other persons that are willing to grow their channel. Yes, one of the things you can do to make your video gain views on YouTube is to link your videos together. I know you'll be saying, oh, but I posted them differently. I know, and that's why I said link your videos together. One of the things, or one of the ways you can do this, is to go right into your YouTube studio, go to your content, then go to shorts. Look at all your shorts, edit them. Click on that pencil icon that tells you to edit. Then go down and you're going to see a space called related videos. Click on that particular link or click on that space. It will show you the list of the videos you have on your channel. Then go ahead and select any one you want. If you select it properly, you have linked that short to the other video. That simply means if somebody happens to watch your short, the person will probably want to click on the link. That means the person will watch your videos, thereby increasing your watch hour, right? And increasing your views. You're welcome. The second thing you want to do is to create a playlist. Add a playlist to your channel. Don't just allow the video float around. And I'll be telling you the reason why you need to take advantage of the playlist. What happens is this. If you have 10 videos on a playlist, it simply means if somebody happens to see, maybe by YouTube recommendation or coming to your channel, happen to click one of the video in that playlist, it simply means all the videos in that playlist will be playing one after another. And what does that mean? You are gaining more views, right? So go ahead, create the playlist and add at least 20 videos in a single playlist. You're welcome. The third thing you want to do is to go and create your channel trailer. Is it trailer or trailer? Let me know in the comment section which one is correct. Trailer. This is how to do it. Go into your YouTube studio again, then look at this portion, click on it, and it will tell you to select whichever video you want. And listen, don't make this mistake. Don't select the video you started your channel with, because obviously that will not be your best video, right? So go ahead and select your best video to be your channel trailer. And what will this do for you? Each time somebody comes to your channel, click on your channel, the trailer will automatically start playing. You see, even if it plays for 30 seconds, it's adding to your views, right? So that's one of the ways you can increase your views, increase your watch hour. And don't forget, I was talking about linking your videos together. So these three processes will help you to network your videos together so no one of your videos will be left behind. Thank you for staying with me up to this point. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do a subscribe. Help me grow. I love to grow on YouTube as I help you grow also on YouTube. Thank you and see you in my next video. Okay.